That's crazy.
Yo,
we gotta go over there.
what is that? Yo, it just left. It's going down. It's going down over here. I see it. I see it. It's right here.
Wait, what is that? Yeah, it's right there.
Yo, what is that?
What is that?
Oh my God. Looks like a UFO. I'm posting this on YouTube.
That is not an
Oh yeah, you got it. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? What the crazy? Yo, Noah, tell him. Why do you think this is on your birthday? Tell him. There's something legit, bro. What is that? There's the moon up there. Let's see. There's the moon. What is that? There's some weird things in the What is that?
Taking over.
Yo, what is that?
I knew this day would come.
Look,
we can see the Earth. We can see the Earth. Look, it shows the picture of the Earth.
Where did it
Shouldn't we
go?
call 911? Look, it shows the
What
Earth.
the?
It shows the Earth. Look.
Yo, what is that? I am freaked out.
Okay, guys, we gotta go and see a astronaut. I am freaked out.
Yo, what is that?
I'm freaked out. Yeah, I think.
Let's see if I can spot. I can't spot it. I can't spot it down here. Where's it go?
It's so many. Look at
Where'd
that.
it go?
It's too more.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
It's right there.
Oh, it's right there. Look, see, now there's a line across the moon. You guys can't see
Oh,
it on
sure, you
camera.
can't see it anymore.
There's a line across the moon. It's still over there. There's still that weird thing.
Where is line?
I have no clue where that went.
Oh my God.
Where did that thing go?
Yeah,
What
it's
in
like
the world?
It's aliens crashing.
We found aliens today. California.
This is ugly.
California aliens right there. That's proof that they're coming.
Really?
Get prepared.
No, over there. Look over there.
My prediction is that there's gonna be aliens.
An alien might walk up to our door. An alien might walk up to our door.
Oh my God, that's so creepy. Where did that go?
But what's with the light?
I just had it a second ago.
Yeah, there's no sign. There's no moon. Like, why is that?
What is that? I'm
This is a miracle.
no, but your birthday is just absolute luck.
So,
What do you have to say about your luck, dude?
What even is that?
I don't know. What's your luck like? This is like 1 in a million, right?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Wait, no, this is a sign to sing happy birthday. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Guys,
Happy birthday, dear Noah.
It looks
Birthday
like-
boy.
it looks like something-
Happy birthday to you and your miracles.
Do you think it's a black hole like seeping
I look. Hold on. I need to get this last shot.
Do you think it's a black hole seeping through?
I need to get this good shot right here. Hold on. Yo, that's insane.